Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, and please consider subscribing because I have exciting videos like this one. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my video. By the way, if you see a swatch of that, I just filmed a video of this look, so yeah. So in this video, I'll just be talking about how I started S Cosmetics. If you don't know, I have my own business. I'll link a video up there. It's called S Cosmetics, and I basically sell cosmetics. So I'll just be giving you a story time about how I started my video about how I started my business at 19 years old. So I am 19. I launched my business on the 24th of November 2018, and that is when I turned 19. So believe it or not, there's nothing to believe or not. I've always wanted to start my own business like a few months back, because the idea of working for someone doesn't really sit right with me. It doesn't mean to fund my dreams. Like, that's the motivation I get for going to work every single day, because I believe that at the end of the month I'm going to get my paycheck to fund my dream. So it's not really a bother to me working for someone else. So and also, my parents are not the type to just rely on working for someone else. My dad is self-employed. He owns his own business, and my mom works for the government, but she also has, like, she sews clothes, she does gele, she does bags, she does soap, she does every single thing you can imagine on this earth. So growing up around the both of them has really motivated me to start my own thing as well. And yeah, so S Cosmetics has been in my mind since I finished my A levels, and that's like April. I might get the months wrong, but since April, and it has really been my dream to start something, as I said earlier. So this this notebook is like my best friend. I have all my business plans in there and stuff, and even before I dreamt about launching it, I've written that down. I don't know if you can see, it just says S Cosmetics and the launch date. So inside I just basically wrote like the pricing of stuff and everything. So this little notebook here and my restock, I write every single thing in there. I write my to-do list, like my website stuff. I write everything in there, and the name ideas for my products, literally everything you can think of. So after I finished my GCSEs, that's around, I'll say, June. I had July and August, so I was bored. I was filming a lot of YouTube videos at that time. So I started thinking about starting my own business, but I didn't really know what to sell. So I thought, okay, like, I make makeup videos on my channel, so why can't I just go for something that is like really affordable? Because I believe that like the way I am, I'm not going to spend a lot of money on something that is not going to last me forever. That's just the kind of way I think, and I think everybody thinks like that as well, but I know people don't, but whatever. So I knew that before I even decide on what to sell, I know what I'm going to sell is going to be extremely affordable. So the vendors and my raw materials, everything, they have to be affordable to make sure you guys have it affordable. So I thought of like a few names: S Beauty, S Cosmetics, and I was thinking, okay, S Beauty is kind of like, I didn't really like it, so I was just like, okay, S Cosmetics it is. So by the way, when I was talking about like choosing the names of stuff, I was jobless. I was jobless. Imagine a jobless person like planning a business. So at August 2018, I got my job. Keep in mind, I've planned everything that I needed to do. I just needed money to basically buy all my raw materials. Like, I found my vendors. I just need money to pay them. So come August 2018, I got my first job. But the way the job works, like, there's a cutoff point, and I started like 2 days after the cutoff point. So my pay for the end of the month was like £3 something, ridiculous. Like, I was thinking, oh my gosh, I'm going to get paid a lot of money. I saw my pay slip, I was like, what the hell is this? I don't even want the money. Like, £3 cannot even buy a bus ticket for a week. So I was like, okay, cool. So the September paycheck, and keep in mind, I was planning to launch my business on the 24th of November, which is my birthday. I was planning to start and put the website out on my birthday. So at that time I was basically just doing everything that I didn't need money to do. So like looking for the website, building the website already, like taking pictures of stuff. Like even though I didn't have the money to like order in bulk, but the samples I got, I took pictures, I researched like how to promote, how to advertise my company and things like that. So while I didn't have the money, I was doing all the stuffs. Is there something like stuffs? I don't think so. So when I got my paycheck in September, the first thing I did was to order everything I was going to need, like basically everything. And most of the things came quite quick, and I got my stuff in like by the end of October. Keep in mind I have a month left, like a month left before I launched everything. And I'm the kind of person that if I know I have something exciting, I can't really keep it in. Like I was so excited to like show you guys. I couldn't post any pictures of it because like I didn't want you guys to forget about it. Like I wanted to make it like somewhere closer to the time to build up the anticipation. So I had all my things ready. I had all my lashes, all my lip gloss equipment. I had everything ready before the end of October, and I didn't want to make the lip gloss just so that I don't get too anxious about posting, about like sharing it with you guys already. So I had a month to wait. Imagine you having all the stock, everything. It's just for you to just post it on your social media to just show people that, okay guys, here I am, boom boom boom, come buy from me. So by that time my website was ready. Like I just needed to upgrade to the paid plan, because the free plan, obviously I cannot pay for something that I'm not ready to use. So but I've built everything was ready. Like when I say ready, everything was ready to go. Like if you emailed me at that time or you messaged me, like you can buy stuff from me, but what can I do? So come like 2 weeks before my birthday, I've made the lip glosses. I have a video on me making lip glosses. That's like my secondary stock. I have a video, I'll link it up there somewhere. So I've made my lip glosses now, and I've started selling to the people around me. It's not just on the website, it's that you guys haven't, like the people on my social media haven't seen it yet. So I've made all my lip glosses and I've started selling it to like my sister's friends, my friends, and I've started doing everything. And before, when I got paid, literally I did everything. Let me show you my business card. I've got my business card ready. That is what my business card looks like. If you guys want a video on everything, like literally the tea, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you the information, but not too much information. Do you get me? Because I believe every one of us can win in this life. Like money is not limited to just one person. So yeah, I started selling, and all right, boom boom boom, my birthday came. I wasn't even excited about my birthday anymore, because it was just like, can I just launch this? Like I was so excited about launching the business, and not actually the fact that I was turning 19, because it's so exciting to me. So my birthday came, I launched my business, and on that night I think I got 3 sales, which was like oh my gosh. Like I literally stayed up till like 12:30, because I made the website public at 12 on the dot on my birthday. On that day I got like 3 sales, and a few days after I think I got like 2 more sales. So it was like, oh my gosh, like it was so emotional for me, because I believe that I'm not even like a massive YouTuber, or like I have 10k on my Instagram or nothing. I'm just like regular schmegular girl, and I don't know what that accent was, girl. So I got like 5 sales in my first week, and I was like, fast forward to now, about November, December, January, February, March. It's not yet 4 months, but like 3 months plus later, I have like over 50 orders, which I'm so grateful for. But over 50 orders on my website, but in person I've had like about 70 orders altogether, and I'm so grateful. You guys are the absolute best, and if you've purchased from me, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's basically how I started my business. It's not like a mistake or a coincidence or something. It's just like I really wanted to, and I put in the work, and I got a job, and I started, and I funded my dreams. So I'm just hoping and praying that my business grows beyond my expectations. And yeah, and if you're looking to start a business and you need advice, you can like DM me or email me or something. I'll leave all my details down below. And my products are really affordable. Like, my products are extremely affordable. My highlighters are £5, my lip glosses are £2.50, and my lashes are £7. So by the way, I have my products on right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay positive, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.